Okay, once again, good morning to those who are seeing the classes in online and offline candidates also. So from 2 days, as you all know that we have done one sample paper of academic year 22-23. So today we'll discuss with the 23-24 sample paper. Again, as I said earlier, see, without knowing the concepts and especially formulas at this stage, it will be difficult to complete the paper within a day, right? So whenever you come after attending the classes, please be ready with the formulas so that it will be quick enough rather than again thinking and writing the formula. Understood? So minimum 7 to 8 chapters are overall related with the formulas. And the geometry part, you should know the theorems. Either it may be circles theorems or any other. Okay. What happened? Okay, now let us see this paper now. First question is as usual simple, finding the HCF and LCM. This question is very easy compared to what we have done in the last paper, right? So what is the value of A here? What is the value of A? A value is x cube y square. B value is x y cube. They are simply asking us what is LCM? X cube y cube. Now if I ask HCF, x y square. Now in the same way, if I ask what is m plus n into r plus s, last problem was same, right? Take this as mn. This is m, this is n, this is r, this is s. Nothing here means what? Power 1. Now what is 3 plus 3? 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 6 3s are. So whatever they may ask, the powers multiplication also, or even they may ask multiple addition of all those 4 powers. M plus n plus r plus s, or m plus n by r plus s. It will be 2. Yes or no? 6 by 3 is what? 2. If you add all those, 6 plus 3, 9. Multiply 8. Division 2. So let them ask in any possible ways. Even if they may ask multiplication or m plus n minus of r plus s, you can try this, right? Then m plus n by r plus s, or sum of all m plus n plus r plus s. The powers of all addition, subtraction or division. Okay, so this is your first problem. Now what about second one? Graph is given. First you complete this. These are extra part, okay? So that let them ask in any possible ways, we can do it in without any confusions. Now second question, let me zoom. Can you see the graph? X intersection point is 3, 0. Y intersection point is 0, 4. Means the point is lying on y-axis. Basics of 9th standard coordinate geometry. The point is lying on x-axis. What is the equation here? What is the polynomial given? Y equal to f of x. What is the meaning of this? Point lies on which axis? Huh? F of x, it might be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. You should see the point along which axis? X-axis. Along x-axis, what is the point there? 3, 0. What is 3? X value. What is y? 0. Okay. Now see which option? Which option will be the answer? 1, 0 you got. What is the other value? 0. 3. 1, 0 and the other is 3. Do we have actually 3 here? Then which option will come? Option B, because the point is along x-axis and the quadratic polynomial is also along x-axis. Suppose if this they write as x equal to f of y Means your equation is in the form of ay square plus by plus c. Then which axis you should see? Y-axis. What is the point in y-axis? What is x value? What is y value? Then your option will be 1 0 and the other 0 is 4. Understood? Both the possible ways complete. So these are your first two questions. So by default, I think we can understand at least one MCQ from first 5 chapters. One MCQs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It looks like a linear equation in two variable, correct? But asked in and your first chapter of polynomials. Sorry, first exercise of your polynomials is of finding the zeros only along x and y axis. Please check there. There also the equation is y equal to p of x. So you saw how many intersections are there along x axis. If we change it to y, like x equal to f of y, you should see along the y axis. Okay, completed? Now this is most easy. Question number 3. By seeing the graph only, you can say what type of lines there. What is the condition for parallel line? A1 by A2, B1 by B2 not equal to. The question is, the lines representing the given pair of linear equations are non-intersecting. Which of the following statements are true? Condition. In first, all are equal. It is what? Dependent. System has infinitely many solutions. Okay. Second one is the right answer. First two equal, third is unequal. Option 3, intersecting lines having a unique solution. D, not possible. Usually first two are unequal means third also will be unequal. Okay. Next, question number 4. The nature of roots of the quadratic equation 9x square minus 6x minus 2. How do you find nature of roots? D value. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute values. What is b value? Minus 6 whole square. 4 into what is a value? 9. What is the c value? Minus 2. Minus to the power even number is always positive. 6 square 36. Okay. Minus into minus is plus. 8 9s are 72. 8 108. Is d greater than 0? Yes, what is the statement for d greater than 0? Roots are realigned unequal, which is nothing but a two distinct roots. Both will be different. Okay, then which option? Option C. Two distinct real roots. Okay, complete this. How many of you remember your arithmetic progression one problem? The difference between the 100 term is 100. Then what is the difference between their 1000 term? Do you remember? 100. Just to recall the question. If you have textbook, you please see there. The difference between the 100 terms of an AP is 100. Common difference is same. They said. Common difference is same. First term will be different. Our question, it was a theoretical question. They asked in MCQ, but there we have done a direct formula there. We'll get on formula actually. Like this something. A minus A is equal to, you wrote it as 100. Answer. Check one. A minus A. Correct? Now based on this formula only, we will solve fifth question. Based on this, we will solve the fifth question. Two APs have same common difference. It is, I think, exercise 5.2 question. The difference of two APs. Correct?
Question number 12.
Question number
12.
Okay. Fifth question, common difference is same. Then what will be different? First terms are different. I will take A and capital A. A and capital A. What is the next? The first term of one of these is -1 and other is -8. Means capital A value is -1, small a value is -8. Then what is the difference of the fourth term? How do you write fourth term of an AP? A plus 3D. A4 can be written as A plus A4 can be written as A plus 3D. When you do the subtraction, A4 minus A4, what you will get? A plus 3D minus of A plus 3D. I am explaining this theoretically first. Later, one direct formula you should apply in exams. Okay. A plus 3D minus A minus 3D. 3D cancel. What is remaining? What was remaining in that classwork? Same difference of two APs. A minus A. Remember this formula only. Now what is that A value? Minus. What is small a value? -1 plus 8, how much?
7.
Which 7? Okay. Which option? C. Option C. So what you should remember, when common difference is same, first terms are different. What is the statement? D same, first term different. Then which formula will apply? A minus A, capital A minus small. Then do the subtraction, you'll get your answer. So this theoretical why I explained, because how the concept comes here. And the same we have done in your classwork also, where they directly give the difference of 100 terms is 100. Then what is difference of their 1000 term? There also you'll get answer as A minus A only. When you substitute, you will get answer as 100 itself. Clear? Fine. So complete this. Hostel batch 2 and 1 student. I gave you one shortcut formula to find the ratios. What was that? During revision of your trials, I said whenever there is a point of intersection, if a point lies on x-axis or y-axis, they will ask you to find the ratio. One direct and shortcut formula I gave. I wrote on the whiteboard with the black marker. I still remember. Batch 2 students were sitting here and batch 1 students. So this is a problem. If you don't remember the formula and if you don't write in one book, it is highly impossible. This is Pakka theory question, 2 marks. If you go like P of xy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, ratio is not there. Correct? Huh? He's asking ratio. You will take k is to 1. That k value is m1 by m2. So what I have to do? We made one shortcut formula. Don't throw. Not written. Very good. Note down. If a point lies on x-axis, then ratio m1 by m2 is equal to minus y1 by y2. m1 by m2 is equal to minus y1 by y2. Next line. If the point lies on y-axis, m1 by m2 is equal to minus x1 by x2. Remember these formulas. Here point is x comma 0. Here point is 0 comma y. If I solve theoretically, it is very lengthy. Why? Because you will write first like this, P of x comma 0. Then how to remember a formula? First I said you to write mx plus mx by m1 plus m2. 1, 2, 2, 1. Again, my plus my divided by m1 plus m2. Again, 1, 2, 2, 1. Ratios we don't know. So we take it as k is to 1. K x2 plus 1 into x1, x1 divided by k plus 1, comma, k y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. You will equate now these two. X will be what? K x2 plus x1 by k plus 1. Once you find the k value, you will substitute and get x value. Then when you equate it to 0, ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1 equal to 0. Cross multiply. What it becomes? 0. Then what is remaining? ky2 plus y1 equal to 0. ky2 is equal to minus y1. So value of k is minus y1 by. Then you will substitute here x. ನೀವೇನಂತೀರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ 2 marks question MCQ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, time lengthy, paper lengthy. You should make such formulas. ಈಗ ನಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅದೇ. When a point lies on x-axis, you can find the ratio. What is this m1 by m2? Nothing but a k. What is again this m1 by m2? Now they are asking only ratio, right? Point is lying on which axis? One step lag answer. Okay. Point is lying on x-axis. Now what are the points here? The points are p of 2 comma minus 3, q of 5 comma 6. Only these 2 points are there. If you go for lengthy procedure, 100% more than 2 minutes. Now see, within 10 seconds. Point lies on x-axis means how do I find the ratio? m1 by m2 is equal to minus y1 by y2. This is y1 value. This is minus of minus 3 by 6. 3 by 6. 1s are 2s are. Then what is the ratio? Which option? Option number A. Mugita answer. So this is how shortcut formulas you have to prepare. This was done in our hostel tuitions. So check your notebooks and make chapter-wise formulas. There was one more formula given on parallelogram, fourth vertex. So remember all those formula, because 100% they will ask like this MCQ. And if you waste 2 minutes for solving this, it is of no. You will get answer correctly, but time. So apply these formulas. Please note down these 2 formulas. Okay, then get the answer. Seventh question is actually a concept of PUC, straight lines. Answer is infinitely many solution. How I will tell you. Just remember one figure. Okay, circle has how many points on the circumference? Infinite points. Oh. A point P of x comma y is at a distance of 5 units from the origin. Now when a point is, one point is at origin, another point is x comma y. What is the shortcut formula OP?
X square plus y square.
Very good. Under root x square plus y square. If one point is 0 comma y, another point is x comma 0. Again, what is the distance between these 2 points? Same. Under root x square plus y square. Fine. Now this one completed. Next, question number 7. P is x comma y. Another point origin is 0 comma 0. Distance between these 2 is 5 units. Then 100% you'll apply distance formula. D is equal to OP. Distance is 5. OP is under root x square plus. How do you remove this square root?
Square.
Then this will be 25 equal to x square plus y square. Actually, this is an equation of x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is radius value. You will learn in PUC first year straight lines. This is a circle with radius r. And this formula is again x square plus y square equal to r square. Now, this part comes in which quadrant? First quadrant. How many points are there here? Infinite. So answer will be infinitely many solutions. Second quadrant, how many points are there?
Infinite.
Then what is the answer? Third quadrant.
Infinite.
Fourth quadrant. Now you see the question. The point is lying so and so. How many such points lie in third quadrant?
Infinite.
Infinitely many solutions. Draw this figure and write that equation. Sir, this will be out of syllabus. No, sir. No. Again, concept based question. Eighth question similar to your 22-23 paper. Question number 8. D is parallel to AB. Corresponding angles are equal to each other. One angle will be common. Then sides ratios will be equal. So we'll solve that. First, redraw the figure. To make my solution easy, I will draw vertically this triangle like this. Here E, D, C, A, B. When a D is parallel to AB, no doubt two triangles are similar. Why? One is common angle. Another one is corresponding angle. Two triangles are. Then what should be equal to each other? Sides ratio. How many triangles are there? One is small triangle, another one is larger. Larger ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದ? AC by CD. ಎರಡು triangle ಅವ. ಒಂದು CDE. Another one is CAB. So larger by smaller triangle I am taking. Okay. So AC by CD is equal to BC by CE is equal to DE by AB. This is size ratio. Now you will look at the values. What are the values given in the question? Is AB value is A. Okay. Then DE value is X. Then BE value is B. The B. BE value is 1 second. This is B. And EC value is C. Total extra B plus C. Then BC value we can take here B plus C. And the CE value is again C. There is no AC and CD value given, no? This is not required. Same like last problem in the last paper. Cross multiply. X into C, XC is equal to A into B plus C. What is the option they are asking? Something is missing, I guess. Check the sides ratio. AC by CD is equal to AC by CD is equal to BC by EC. Correct? Whether EC value is a C? Yes. What is the DE value? What is the DE value they gave? X. I have taken it as X. What is AB value?
A.
AB value is A. We have taken right. Then answer options we are not getting. X is equal to A into B plus C by C I am getting. Okay, if C is a common LCM, AB by C plus 1. No, somewhere we have done wrong. Check once again. Recheck. B plus C. B plus C by C is equal to X by A. Sides ratio. Smaller by larger only we took, no? No, I have done here mistake C. This is AB by DE. That's why we are getting wrong answer. Is equal to, what is AB value? A. A by X. Now you will get answer. X into B plus C is equal to AC. Value of X is AC by B plus C. Which option? B. Option B. Okay. So we should be careful even the sides ratio. Larger by smaller. Okay. From 7 chapters, we got 8 MCQs till now. From question number 1 to 8, if you look at carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th is the triangle, 7th is the coordinate geometry. Means we got 2 questions from AP as an MCQ. Then another 3 marks, will it be a word problem or graph? Let us see. First, we will solve from this question paper, which we are able to solve easily. Okay, highly concept-based questions, we'll do it tomorrow. Understood? From the whole question paper section A, B, C, D, E, which are like easy to solve, we'll solve that first. Which are bit time consuming and more concepts to be explained from the previous classes, that we'll do tomorrow. Okay. Now, Next question, question number 9. This is written now, everybody? Okay. Question number 9. Draw the figure. Again, for question number 9, you should remember 9th standard isosceles triangle formula. I will redraw this, or let me zoom. Is this figure cardable?
Yes, sir.
Tangent? Chord? What is chord here?
PQ.
Okay. What is tangent here?
Yeah.
What are the radius?
PQ.
Don't think what they're asking us to find. Angle subtended by the chord at the center, and the angle O. By looking the figure, you may say it is 90 degree. Correct? Huh? But no option is 90 degree. In exam, they will give 90 degree. If you tick it 90, answer is wrong. Okay, now let me solve this. If O is center of a circle and PQ is a chord, makes an angle 50 degree with the tangent. This is the chord and tangent. What is the angle here? 50 degree. Then I will say this is 40 degree without solving. Why?
90 degree.
Who is 90?
P.
This P, point of contact theorem 10.1. Angle P is what? 90 degree. Angle P is 90. From 90, if you subtract 50, what is remaining angle? 40. Even this will be 40 degree. Yadaka. Triangle POQ is there, no? OP is equal to OQ actually. These two are radius of the circle. Angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are which theorem? Isosceles triangle theorem. Theorem 7.3, class 9. These sides are equal, then opposite angle should be equal. Now what is 40 plus 40? Then angle O is equal to 180 minus 80. How much it is? 100 degree. Once again, I'm telling you, listen carefully. Angle made between the tangent and chord is how much degree? 50 degree. You know at least 10th standard this theorem 10.1 and 10.2. These angles are nothing but what degree? 90 degree. In this 90, part of the angle is 50. Then what is remaining part?
40.
If this is 40, even this angle is also 40 degree. Why? Because this triangle OPQ and OP are radius of circle. When two sides are equal, chord is no doubt unequal side. It is an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So if this is 40 means even this angle will be 40. 180 minus 80 is 100 degree. Means almost figure will be somewhat like this. To confuse you, they almost give like a right angle. Thank God they have not given any option as 90 degree. Or else you will say, sir, by seeing only, sir. Seeing is not believing. Okay. Next. Will you write this complete? Again, yesterday, a problem on prove that a parallelogram is a rhombus. Remember your 8th question, circles? No. 8th question of your circles. Go to 10.2. That's what, no homework. Just coming and sitting in the class. Opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, you check that. Your 8th question. A quadrilateral circumscribes a circle. If this is a circle, if I take this as a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, then I think he said to prove AB plus CD is equal to BC plus AD. Sum of opposite sides of a quadrilateral. This is a fixed formula. whenever a quadrilateral circumscribes a circle, sum of opposite sides are sum of. Then can I solve this one? Okay, the question here is
11, sir.
11, huh? Okay. Now this is figure. Can you see the figure? The sides are 12, 15, 14 and this is unknown. So when opposite sides are equal, I say PS plus RQ is equal to PQ plus SR. PS plus 15 is equal to 12 plus 14. PS is equal to 26 naga 15 kadadra ಎಷ್ಟು?
11.
Then what is your answer?
11.
Okay, this much. So again quadrilateral circle chapter, one extra formula. Whenever a quadrilateral circumscribes a circle, sum of opposite sides are always equal. And based on that condition, we took quadrilateral as a parallelogram and proved rhombus. So the entire concept has been done. Okay. Now you solve next one. This is question number 9. Huh? This is 10th question. Huh? This is 9. 10th question. Sin theta is equal to A by B. Your midterm exam question.
Option C.
What is cos theta? Bit easy compared to last year paper, right? First you will draw a right angle triangle. Sin means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is A, hypotenuse is
B.
Who is longest side in the right angle triangle? B square minus A square. But square root should be there. Sir, stepwise ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ABC ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. You should write. AC square is B square. AB square I should find. And what is BC square? A square. A square goes to LHS. B square minus A square is equal to AB square. Then what is the value of AB? Under root. Then what is the cos formula? What is cos formula? Huh? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Under root B square minus A square by B. Option
C.
Question number 12. Try by yourself. I will give 1 minute time. It is exactly MCQ type question in classwork, textbook. Last exercise. Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A is equal to dash. My answer is secant A. Your answer I don't know. Who are main trigonometric functions? Trimurtis, sin, cos, and tan. Then what can be secant written as?
1 by cos.
Tan can be written as?
Sin by cos.
Do it, you will get your answer. What is A plus B into A minus B, Sharan? Identity. Nobody will say A plus B into A minus B is equal to dash. Hey, it is an algebraic identity. A plus B into A minus B. Gagan? A square minus B square. 9th standard identity, don't forget. If you don't know, write 3 times. It will be helpful here only. Cos. 1 by secant you will get. Sorry, 1 by cos you will get. Secant is answer. 1 by cos you will get. 1 by cos is nothing but a secant A. This is 1 by cos. This is sin by cos. Into 1 minus sin A. Nothing is there in the denominator. Divided by 1. Now when you take LCM, cos A is common LCM. So 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A whole divided like 1. A plus B, A minus B. Get answer. A square minus B square by cos A. We have written 17 different forms of 3 identities. Wherever there is 1 minus sin square A, Cos square A by cos A. Answer is cos A. How you got secant A? Cos square by cos. Answer is direct cos A. No 1 by cos and get secant. Check where you are done wrong. Question number 13. If a pole 6 meter high, how do you draw a 6 meter high pole? Draw it. You draw. Casts a shadow of 2√3. Shadow ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತದ? ನೆಲ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದ? Horizontal ಇರ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಲ ಇಳಿಸು, ಪೋಲ್ ಇಳಿಸು. ಪೋಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕೋತಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಳಿಸು. Vertical pole, shadow on the floor. Now, what the hell I should find now? Angle.
60 degrees.
60 degree. Okay, okay. Now, what two sides value got? Opposite and adjacent. Who is opposite by adjacent?
Tan.
So, you have on pole or on shadow. Very good, very good. Pole, wait, 6 meter, shadow 2√3. Theta I should find. A, B, C. Opposite by tan theta is equal to 6 by 2√3. Ones are, extras are.
These are
3 by √3. How many of you done rationalization here? Still you are in 9th standard.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 3 can be written as in the 9th standard only. You have not learned only rationalization. You learned even √a into √a is. Then 3 can be written as √3 into √3. Okay. So what is the value you are getting? Tan theta is √3. In a tan table, what value gives you √3? 60. Tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. Then what is the angle theta?
60.
What is the other angle? Angle of depression? Sure. Depression means you should first draw an imaginary line. This entire angle will be angle of depression. Okay. 90 degree. 90, if this is 60, this is 30, then angle of depression, this is line of sight, this is horizontal line, this is 60, alternate interior angle. That's why angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. One more concept extra. Then what is the angle of depression by sun? If you write 30 degree or 90 degree, gone. That options will be there. It will be 60. We have said in one concept, no, like Z. I said like there is a crocodile in the river. I will be looking to the crocodile. Crocodile will be looking at to me. Both line of sight are equal. Then angle of depression. I am in depression. It is in expression. Then angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Ade concept ಇಲ್ಲಿ extra one. Complete. Now again write heading circles, 2 extra formulas note down. Write heading circles, extra formulas. If A is equal to A1 plus A2, what is A1, A2? Area of circle. Okay. If A is equal to A1 plus A2, then R is equal to under root R1 square plus R2 square. How I will tell you, but direct formula. When they say sum of 2 circles gives the larger circle, what is area of circle formula? pi r square. You will substitute here also pi r square. You will substitute here as pi r1 square, pi r2 square. You will take pi common. Pi will cancel. R square will be equal to r1 square plus r2 square. And square root will be r is equal to. Ishtuduk barede. Whenever you will learn or read like sum of areas of two circles having so and so diameter or radius, directly apply r is equal to under root r square plus r square. If circumference of circle are c1 plus c2, then radius will be simply r1 plus r2. Why? 2 pi r formula. What is circumference of circle? 2 pi r. If I take 2 pi common, 2 pi will cancel. Then what is remaining? R1 plus R2. Okay. Now the question here is which one?
14.
Question number 14. Actually, I said of 15th one. I will solve 15 and then I will go for 14. 15th question is, see, it is proposed to build a new circular park equal in area to the sum of, equal to the area to the sum of two circular parks of diameter 16 and 12 meter. Then the radius of new park is, this is area of new park. This is area of the two parks which are already built in the locality. The first park diameter they give 6 meter. Then what is radius? 1 second. R1 is how much? 8 meters. R2 is 6 meter. Area only they are asking. Radius of new circular park. R is equal to under root R1 square plus R2 square. And please remember your Pythagoras triplets. Whenever there is 6 and 8, what is hypotenuse? 10. Direct answer. If not, you apply the formula. 8 square plus 6 square. 64 plus 36 is 100. What is square root of 100? R is 10 meter. Okay. Question number 14. Perimeter is equal to area of circle. Question number 14. Perimeter of circle is equal to area of circle. Perimeter is nothing but circumference 2 pi r. Area is pi r square. Pi r and r get cancelled. 2 equal to r. Then what is radius? 2 units. What is the answer? 2 units. Now complete these two. Next question all about probability. Question number 16 and 17. But 16 is mixed with area related to circles. Now 16th question, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
See, in the textbook, there are two problems of similar to this. There was a rectangle and a circle, rolling a die inside a circle. Question number 22. And they put it as a star and said not for
Examination point of view.
now. That's why I said don't trust CBSE. Correct? They may frame any concept based question. And even you had one solved example where there was a forest and a lake. Yes, and there also they said not for exam point of view, but same exam point of view is here. Now see this question. There is a square board of side 2a units circumscribing a red circle. Jaidev is asked to keep a dot on the above said board. The probability that he keeps the dot on the shaded region is. On the dot shaded region again, look. It should not be inside the circle or on the circumference of circle or even on the sides of the square. It should be in the shaded region. How do you find probability of this? Probabilities question is a combination of areas related to circle. Highly new concept, no? But very simple to understand. Please first note down. Draw this first figure. Question number 16 it is. 14th are done. No, perimeter of circle is equal to radius 2 units are done. 15th done. After that immediately 14th are done. Perimeter P is equal to A. Okay. So first I will draw the square and the circle. Where should be this dot? On the shaded region. Means from square I should remove what? Then only I will get. And where is this circle? Then who is sample here? Largest is sample. Which is the largest here? Square. Okay. So first side of square S is equal to 2a. No doubt side and diameter both are equal to each other. Yes. So for circle diameter is equal to side, which is nothing but 2a. Then what is radius? Radius is a. 2a by 2 is a. This is first. What they are asking us to find? Probability that dot will be on the shaded region. Means I am inside this plane region. Means area I should find. Inside the plane region, area. Boundary of the plane region, circumference or perimeter. Okay. Pi by? No. See. Probability P of A is equal to. Where should be the dot? On the shaded region. Where is that shaded region? Apart from the circle. So area of square minus area of circle. From this square, if I remove circle part, what is remaining? Only shaded region is remaining. And where is the shaded region and circle? In the square, divided by area of square. Now when I apply the formula, what is area of square? S square. Okay, this steps buried. Area of square is side into side, which is S square. What is area of circle? Pi R square divided by again S square. What is side value? 2a. What is 2a whole square? 4a square. Pi into what is R value? A square divided by again 4a square. So 4a square minus pi a square by 4a square. What is common? A square. 4 minus pi by 4a square. A square cancel. 4 minus pi by. What is the option? So probability application part. Probability you have learned only rolling the die, tossing a coin, and 52 cards. But probabilities can be explained by such chapters also. That is what higher versions are there. If you want to do courses in mathematics, you can go ahead. Your career will be done. Do mathematics. Thanks. Two cards of hearts and 4 cards of spades are missing from a pack of 52. Spade ಅಂದ್ರೆ Yellow. Spade under yellow. What color?
Black.
2 hearts and 4 cards are missing means from 52. How many cards are missing? 6. Then what is your new sample?
46.
46. Okay. A card is drawn random from the remaining pack. What is the probability of getting a black card? Why 22? How many black cards are there in 52 cards?
26.
In that 26 black cards, it is a combination of spade and club. How many spades are missing?
4.
Then you should remove again from 26 4 cards. That means 22. 22 by? What is the simplified answer for this? Even that also option will be there. Okay, 11 by 23. Let me do the steps now. N of S is 52 minus 2 minus 4, which is nothing but 6, and answer is 46. Total number of samples. And in black cards, total black cards are how many? 26. In that 4 spades are removed. Minus 4. N of B is equal to how much? 22. Therefore, probability of getting a black card is N of B by N of S. 22 by 46. 11, 23. Actually, direct answer 22 by 46. Simplified answer 11 by 23. Question number 18. Upper limit of modal class. But what is class interval they gave? Above and below. Correct? Huh? Below means which concept? Median concept. That's why I said whatever mode class you will get, that will be only median class. And in that class interval only you will get mean answer. So all together they are called as measure of central tendency. So this question we will draw table separately. Many of you have a confusion how to convert below to class interval and frequency. This is not frequency. This is cumulative frequency. Above below baju will be always a CF. When you are doing F to CF, what you will do? Addition. Then from CF to F, then you can solve the problem easily. Now my first question here is, what is the class width now? 140 is there, 145, 5. Then can you write the class interval?
Yes.
Write first everybody class interval 135 to 140, 140 to 145. Yellitana 160 to 165. One 35 to 140, 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165. Frequency ಪಟಕ್ಕಂತ ಅದೇ ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬಾಜು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? Frequency. After frequency, what it should be? That is your CF value. Write that first CF value. 4, 11, 29, 40, 46, 51. Okay. Now listen here. I hope everybody knows how to do subtraction. Okay. Keep first 4 as it is. Please look at carefully. 11 minus 4. What is the term here? 29 minus 11. 40 minus
29.
preceding, like your common difference of AP. Like common difference of AP. 46 minus 40. 51 minus 46. 11 minus 4. 29 minus 11. 18. 11. Barabar? 6. 5. If you add all this, it will be 51. What is the highest frequency now? 18. Correct? If 18 is highest frequency, what they are asking? Upper limit 150. And pakka same median also. What is 51 by 2? Anybody? 20.5 or 25. 51 by 2, 25.5. How do you find a median class? Nearest CF greater than n by 2. You got, what is this n by 2 value? 25.5. Greater than 25.5 are 1, 2, 3, 4. But nearest to 25.5? Then what is this class also called as? Median class. Artha aitu. Then Mooli money is lower limit. Nadwin money is frequency. Magin money is CF. Get your median answer. If you are doing mode, Mooli money, lower limit. These are your frequencies, correct? Magin money F0, num money F1, Telegin money over. You can find the answer. Is it clear? So mode, median, please be perfect. Completed? Complete the table. Option D, 150. Okay. Now, assertion reason. You can note down assertion and reason. Statement: total surface area of top, total surface area of the top is sum of curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cone. Combination. This is true. Like it might be an ice cream or that top under the bugrian. Yes. So exactly, it is a sum of cone and a hemisphere. Is this statement true or false? True. Next, top is obtained. Top under the toy type. Okay, bugri is obtained by joining the plane surface of the hemisphere and cone together. What is the plane surface? That circular part. Circular part of cone, circular part of hemisphere. Both are circle in shape of same diameter. When they are joined together only, what solid shape I'm getting? Then is it a right explanation for that or no? Even this is true statement. But is it explaining about how did I get the shape of a top? Then which option is your answer? A. Option A. Complete. Twentieth question: whether assertion is true or false? Assertion is true or false? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Why? Whether a common difference is same?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, minus 5 by 2. I will say it as 2.5. Correct? Huh? Minus 2.5 plus 5 is 2.5. 0 plus 2.5, 2.5. 2.5 minus 0, 2.5. Common difference is same. Okay, it forms an AP. Please look at this reason statement. The terms of an arithmetic progression cannot have both positive and negative rational numbers. False. This is the best example. It can be a combination of what? Positive and negative rational numbers. 0. Okay. Then 5 by 2 rational. Next will be what? 5 by 2 plus 5. Yes. So positive and negative rational number can be there. 5 by 2 is a positive rational number. Minus 5 by 2 is what? Negative rational number. Even 0 is a rational number. Why? 0 by 1. I can represent 0 as 0 by 1. The very first question of your 9th standard. Exercise 1.1. Is 0 a rational number? Give reason for your answer. Yes. Okay. So these are your MCQ. Now, how do you feel? Which MCQs are easy? These compared to before one. Okay. And in the last paper, whether 2 marks questions were easy? Out of 5, how many questions were easy? Homework ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. One paper complete ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ what we have done, you have to check, no? ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದು ಆಯ್ತು ಮುಗಿಯೋದು. I think from 11th onwards you will be serious, I guess. Yes or no? Because hardly 4 to 5 days. 15th is Shivratri. Akhanda Puja you do. Paramatma, give me my max good marks. Okay. Right? Then 16th, full 24 hours you prepare. 17th you will write your exam. Today is date 6. Yes. Exactly 10 days. In 10 days you have your first board exam, and that is your favorite subject. Okay. See how you will prepare. Now see, pleasant surprise. Root 2 irrational number you have to prove for 2 marks only. Okay. Again, sir, they are asking for 2 marks. No, sir. I will say our assumption is wrong. Hence, root 2 is a rational number. No, you write complete. Okay. Why means that is rule for theorems. These are like theorem proof, and you should write it as it is. They ask for 2 marks, but your board exam 100% they will ask for 3 marks. Now you see these questions. Complex questions we'll see later. We will solve only 24th question from this exercise. So means this section. This is also combination of coordinate geometry and triangles. Combination of coordinate geometry, because ratios they have given. You will get confused. Is it a coordinate geometry? No. It is a concept of triangles. But coordinate geometries ratios we will take. We'll divide them in certain ratio. Then we'll prove 2 triangles are similar. How many triangles are there in this figure? We should prove those 2 triangles as similar, and then get the answer OC equal to half of AA. But highly concept question, we'll see later. And this question, okay, circles only, but perimeter of circle is sum of all the sides. You have to substitute the side, then tangents will become equal. In that, some common terms we have to take and all. It will take time. Okay, you try now 24th question. Tan of a plus b is root 3. Tan of a minus b is 1 by root 3. And even if you look 25th question, both area related to circle, shaded part is there. Actually, shaded part is deleted. In area related to circle, second exercise is all of finding the area of shaded regions only. But they have asked it, so again it will take time for me to explain the concept first and then go for calculation. So such problems, higher order thinking skills, we'll see tomorrow. Tan a plus b is root 3 means it is 60 degree. It is 60 degree. 1 by root 3 means 30 degree. A plus b 60, a minus b 30. B 15 means 100%, a 45. What is 45 plus 15? E is 60 greater than 0 degree? E is 60 less than 90 degree? And please check whether a is greater than b. Angle A, it should satisfy the condition also. Okay, complete past.
23, 27.
23. We'll do separately tomorrow. Okay. Find the value of x. 24b. 24b. Find the value of x. 2 cosecant square 30 degree plus x sine square 60 degree minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 degree is equal to 10 is the question. What I should find? X value. Cosecant 30 big. You should not remember cosecant only. You remember sine, that is enough. What is sine 30? Then cosec will be 2. Reciprocal. Ashte ulta madbeku. Okay, Numan. Plus x square sine 60 x root 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 4 tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square. 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8 plus x square root cancel 3 divided by minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 is equal to 10. 3 cancel. X plus, sorry, 8 plus 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 equal to 10. 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 10 minus 8. What is 10 minus 8? 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 equal to 2. 3x by 4 is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4. What is the answer? 4 is LCM. 4 2s are
8.
8 plus 1? 4 4.
3.
3 1s are.
3 2 3.
Then what is the value of x? Complete. Twenty-seventh question you have done somewhere. 27th question you have done somewhere. In your trial. Try. Inverse, how do you write reciprocal? X to the power minus 1 is written as.
1 by alpha.
Then alpha to the power minus 1 is written as 1 by alpha. Complete. Right. First one 6 by 5. Okay. Now don't apply factorization method here. Okay. You should get only sum of zeros and product of zeros. Athwa ABC value at least. You should get only ABC value. P of x is equal to.
So second minus 5.
1 second. 5x square plus 5x plus 1. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. What is the value of a? 5, b is 5, c is 1. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is minus 5 by 5. Answer is minus 1. Alpha beta is c by a. So value will be 1 by 5. Okay.
Yes.
What they are asking first one?
Alpha square plus beta square.
We have given a formula. This is nothing but alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha beta. How, sir? A plus b whole square identity. Substitute and tell me the answer.
3 by 5.
Minus 1 whole square is 1. Na? 1 minus 2
3
by
by
5.
5, sir.
5 minus 2, 3 by 5. Correct.
Second is minus 5.
Second one is
Minus 5.
1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, which is nothing but minus b by c. Minus 1, no, minus 5. Minus, correct.
So
It can be done. Remember your MCQ. Chord and tangent, angle 60 degree. That way only you have to think. Now between chord and radius. Link is there. We'll do that. We'll try. I hope everybody got alpha square plus beta square value. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 1 square minus 2 into 1 by 5. Silence. 1 minus 2 by 5. 5 is LCM. What is 5 minus 2? 3. Next they are asking alpha to the power minus 1 plus beta to the power minus 1, which is nothing but 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. For MCQ, please remember 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is always minus b by c. Direct. Okay. Here you have to take LCM as alpha beta, alpha plus beta. Substitute the values. Minus 1, 1 by 5. Reciprocal minus 5. This is your answer. Okay. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. If the digit of the number differ by 2, find the number. Exactly. Solved example question. Two-digit number means what? Tens place and ones place. Take x be in ones place, y be in tens place. How do you write expanded form? 35. How do you write expanded form? 3 into 10 plus 5 into 1. You know here number. That's why you wrote 3 into 10. Do you know what is the number in 10th place? That's why y into 10 is 10y. X into 1 is unit place. So x plus 10y is your original number. Reverse will be what? Interchange. When you,
42 or 24.
oh, okay. You should do stepwise, Kushi. No shortcuts. Understood?
Yes.
Note down first. Let digit in ones place is equal to x. Ones place be x. Digit in tens place be y. Therefore, original number is 10y plus x, which is nothing but x plus 10y. Equation 1. Reverse of a number means the number which is in unit place will go to now tens place. The number which is in a tens place will come to units place. So it will be 10x plus 1. Equation 2. Now what he said in the first condition, sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. How do you write the condition for this? Sum of two-digit number means what?
10 y plus 6.
Original number plus reverse number. If you add these two, what you are getting?
66.
66. Original number plus reverse number is how much?
66.
66.
10 y.
1 second. X plus 10y plus 10x plus y is equal to 11x plus 11y is equal to x plus y is equal to 1 6. X plus y is equal to 6. Equation 3. What he said? Did he say? Did we assume let x be the larger number? Did I say or y as minus x plus y equal to 2? This is equation 4. This is equation 5. Now case 1. Take equation 4. Tell me what is x and y. Take 1 second. Case 2. Take equation 3 and 5. Tell me what is x and y value. I will give you 3 minutes time. Complete. In first case. Then original number is 42. Reverse will be 24. Then 100% case 2. Original will be 24. How many of you got in case 1 x sorry, what is the x value in case 1?
4.
X value is 4. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Y value?
2.
Then here x value will be 2, y value will be 4.
Yes, sir.
Check properly. Huh? Then after finding that x and y value, you should say what is original number and reverse number. That also you should substitute here in equation 1 and 2. Original number will be 42, reverse will be 24. Original number in a second case is 24, reverse will be 42. You can't take LCM. If you take LCM and square also, you will get xy. Xy is not as 2 variable. Okay, it is reducible equations, actually deleted, but still they have given the question. We'll do it. We have to do it. There is no other choice. (28) B 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. Second equation is 4 by root x 9 by root y is equal to -1. Let p be 1 by root x and q be 1 by root y. This is the reducible equation formulas. Sometimes they might be like divided by x, p and q. Whenever x and y are in a denominator with either square root or not a square root, you take them as p and q. Then what will be this equation? 2p plus 3q. Why 2p? 1 by root x is what I said. P is equal to 2. Equation 1. Next, 4p minus 9q is equal to -1. Equation 2. Apply elimination. You will get same answer or both will be different. First, anyone check system of consistency before solving. 2 by 4 is not equal to -1 by 3. Then you will get the solution. No, it is consistent. Having the solution. First, check system of consistency. Instead of minus, if I
Q is equal to 1 by 3. Q is equal to 1 by 3.
1 by 3. Q is 1 by 3. Then what is P? I will solve this completely. You try elimination. Q 1 by 3. Listen, those who want to understand this, I will multiply 3 here. Why? 3 3s are ಏನು? Plus 9 minus 10 direct cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Sir, I told that I'm fixed like I will change only first term, you multiply by 2. Choice is yours. When I multiply by 3, 3 2s are 6p plus 9q is equal to 6. 4p minus is equal to -1. Now direct cancellation. Now don't waste your time by changing the sign. You'll get one more equation. Already coefficients are same and the sign is also opposite. Direct cancellation. If they are not of same sign, then you have to change the sign. What is 6p plus 4p? 10p is equal to 5. 5 ones are. And what is the value of p?
1 by 2.
Now where you will substitute? Which is the smallest equation? First one.
1 by
2 into 1 by 2 plus 3q is equal to 2. 2 cancel. 1 plus 3q is equal to 2. 3q equal to 2 minus 1. Value of q is. But these are not my answer. What they are asking? x and y, and both should be greater than 0. Means minimum one x and y value. If you are getting negative, your solution is wrong.
X is 4.
X is 4. Okay.
Y is
Y.
9.
How?
Square.
Yes. Very good. Squaring on both sides. So first, everybody complete up to this. Twenty-ninth B is a textbook solved example. We have done that in the class with applying angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property of quadrilateral. You can try that. Okay. 31st question after this. Now see here. You got a p value as 1 by 2, which means 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root x. Correct? Cross multiply. Root x is equal to
2,
then x will be what?
4,
What is q? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to what? 1 by root y. Then root y is equal to 3. Square on both sides.
9.
Are they greater than 0? Yes. Okay. So this is your reducible equations. What are these equations called as? Reducible equations. You today go and try this problem or write once again from circles solved example. Check your homework book. You'll get the solution. Solve by yourself. If it is only, if it was like 1 by x, your answer will be 2 and 3. Instead of root x, if it was only x, those p reciprocals and q reciprocal will be your answer. Find the mean length of leaves.
Textbook question.
I think it is a 3 marks question, no? No, I will tell you. Only I am just checking, find the mean length. Now the question here is, should I convert it into continuous class interval or no?
Yes.
You see here it is 145 to 153. Next is what?
154.
It is not continuous. It is called as inclusive class intervals. Whenever the class intervals are discontinuous, you should apply the formula.
Minus 0.5 plus 0.
Ha, sir. Correct, sir. Very good, sir.
Textbook question.
Now lower limit. Should I add or subtract? Huh? Lower limit minus 0.5. Upper limit. Okay. So based on this only we should do now. Please note down the formula. If CI is discontinuous, if CI is discontinuous, if CI is discontinuous, then lower limit you do minus 0.5, upper limit plus 0.5. 118 to 126. 118 to 126. What is the difference? 126 plus 118. 8. Then 127 to 135. 136 to 144. Barabar? Now you see 145 to 153, 54 to 62, 63 to 171, 172 to 180. In home, without converting, try. Please do. Okay. Whether you get answer same or different, you check. You will get the same only. In class we have done without converting. But if it is median problem, no, please convert it. Okay. Then first I will do this lower limit minus 0.5 and upper limit plus point. And you should not do for all the problems, means all the class intervals. You should do only for first. Next you can write easily. Please see, technique note. Lower limit minus 0.5 is 117.5 minus 126.5. Write all this: 135.5, 144.5, 153.5, 62.5, 71.5, 80.5. Now repeat: 126.5. Now you see the subtraction, same. Again write this: 135.5, 144.5, 153.5, 162.5, 171.5. What is the frequency? 359. 359. 12, 5, 4, 2. What is sum of all the frequencies? 40 leaves, sir. What was there in the question? Add. 40, no? 8, 9, 17, 29, 34, 38, 40. Just cross everything. Now, which method you want to apply? Now, before the applying method, one more thing I should find, no? Xi. Class mark, right? Xi. What is the Xi formula? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Idunu. Don't waste your time. Always adding plus 2 by 2, plus 2 by 2, plus 2 by 2. Okay. First, what is the difference? You tell me. 9. What is 9 by 2?
4.5.
Add 4.5 to every lower limits. Mugit. Please remember this technique. Don't waste your time adding by 2. Adding by 2. Add double up. Don't waste time. Just to see the subtraction, class width. What is the class width? What is half of your class width? Sir, why you are doing half means you have to find the midpoint, no? That is what class mark says. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. I am doing with class width. Fine. So 9 by 2 is 4.5. Now add 118 plus 4. 122. Then 127 plus 4. 131. 136 plus 4. 140. 140. 140. Addition you do properly. First arda you do, then full you do. Then 145, 149. Difference is 9 only, no? 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 158. 160. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 4, 76. Is Xi numerically large?
Yes.
Then which method you should go? Assume the mean. How many samples are there here? Like variants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is 7 by 2? 3.5 means fourth term. Is your assumed mean. Okay, is your assumed mean. I am doing this for problem by applying assumed mean method. Matter. What is the formula? D is equal to x minus a or xi minus a. First, I'll write all the x value: 122, 131, 140, 149, 58, 67, 76. 149, 149, 149. This is easy. 0. 149. What is the difference of this? 9. Then 100% next will be 18. Check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
100% next will be 27. Then 100% minus 9.
And 25.
If you still want to go for step deviation, you want step deviation method? Did we do in class step deviation method? Yes,
Sir.
one problem. This problem also will do step deviation method. Because of my problem going for step deviation is because see got 9.
9.
They can be cancelled by 9 table. U equal to D by H. What is H value? 9. 9 extras are 27. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Over. So much of time. Okay. Then you will multiply F into U. 3 minus 3 minus 9. 5 minus 2 minus 10. 9 minus 1 minus 9. 0. Then 5 ones are 5. 4 twos are 8. 2 threes are. First add all these 3. 8, 6, 14.
19.
19.
Minus 20.
Minus 28. What is your answer? Summation of FU. Minus 28, minus 8, minus 1, minus 9. Okay. Then the formula is x bar is equal to A plus summation FU by summation F into H. This is only extra. In a assumed mean, you will write summation FD by summation F. Instead of FD, FU. And since we have taken class width, multiply by class width. 149 plus of minus 9 by 40 into 9. What is 9 nines are? Minus 81 by 40. 40 and 81. No LCM. 40 ones are 40. 1.0. Still it is less. Uksate you can't take 0. 40 ones are 40. Enough. 149 minus 2.02. 149.00, 2.02. Subtract and tell me.
176.
How 176?
146.
146.98. What 98? Millimeter. It is the problem of leaf. The length of the leaf are in terms of millimeter. So SI unit is also very important. 140, how much? 2 plus 7 or 7, yes, 146.98 millimeter. So these few problems are done. I think we'll go tomorrow. Remaining? Okay, right. 2 hours more than enough. So thank you and we'll see you tomorrow.